Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorials how to use eraser tools. Okay, to use eraser you can click at these icons, but for the first I will create a simple sketch rectangle and the other we create box objects like this. Now if you want to use the eraser you can click and it will be automatically working on edge, so you can like delete this edge. This click and it will be automatically delete the selected. You can click, hold, and then you can move to delete multiple edge. So in it you also can delete at the top edge and it will automatically become a surface in the box objects. To fill you can use this tools line to cut again the edge like this. The other option you also can delete, like if you have the lines on the face, you can use these eraser tools to erase the edge. Okay, you can click hold to select the multiple edge. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorials, how to use erase tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.